People ask me every time, which is the best AirPod to buy? And in my honest opinion, I've had these AirPods Generation 1 for a long time. Now, does it charge wirelessly? No, it does not. The case can, if you buy AirPods Pro, the case and your Generation 1 AirPods will be able to charge wirelessly. So you can charge wirelessly as long as you get a different case that can. There is a reset button here, or you can press that button there to reset, or it helps sync up to devices, especially if they're non-iOS. And it only takes 10 minutes to charge fully with the case and the AirPods. So when you lift the lid up on whatever device you have, it'll appear of how much charge each left or right AirPod has, and the case as well, so you can identify how much time you got left or how much charging needs to go. 10 minutes for around 2 to 3 hours worth of entertainment on non-stop usage. I was a gamer, right? I'm a professional gamer, and I paired it with my iPad and my iPhone, and real time through Bluetooth. You could hear footsteps in a first-person shooter in real time, no problems at all. There's no lagging or desync issues that I had with my devices. I had an iPad Pro 2020 and an iPhone 13. Beautiful. So don't worry about the iPad Pros, so the AirPod Pros, noise cancellation features. If you just want a decent, cheap, decent AirPods that you couldn't afford before, because this is a few years old now, this will do the job. Whether you're a gamer, gym junkie, music lover, this will do the job. Just get a different case if you want wireless charging.